Wakenya, tuombe tu Uhuru Kenyatta mtu wangu. Kumbe huyu jamaa afya yake si poa. Na kuna mambo zingine mtu wangu hata ukisikia na kuuma sana wadau. Hebu sikiza venye mwenyewe anasema.
Lost a friend. I've lost a colleague. And especially for me in don't know whether I should say this, but these are realities of life. In the last year, and a good part of this year, whenever we met, he was very encouraging about some of the challenges that we were going through. And since he had more experience than some of us, he was very encouraging in guiding and telling you how to look at this and how to handle some of these challenges in life, health and otherwise. And I'll miss that counsel, and I'll appreciate everything he guided some of us towards, and how he really held our hand and told us, don't worry, things will come to pass, it will go. We trust in God, we believe that the reason Frank is lying here is because it is his time. Those of us who have those challenges will continue fighting with them, but equally, when it is God's time, we shall join him and be thankful for the life that we lived and the times that we shared together.
So Kenya, na mkumbuke, hii Kenya ni yetu. Sisi wote.